welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are going to do a skincare video, and I wanted to do this because this has been helping my skin for the past couple of weeks. I wanted to show you guys what I do midweek. Now I do have my morning and nighttime routine that I do, and I also have a whole week skincare routine that I do, which I'm going to show you guys. I'll do video for these later on, but today I wanted to show you something that's truly important, that's helping to improve my skin so far, and I love it. So if you guys can see, my skin is doing a lot better. I have so much hyperpigmentation that is gone off my face. Of course, I always get breakouts still, and I don't make it a big deal because I just go ahead and take care of them, but it's not as bad as I used to be. If you guys seen some of my old videos, I have breakout foreheads, jawline, hormonal, stomach, like all kind of acne issues, which one of my best things I've learned to do is figure out what type of acne I have and why I have them. So that's one thing that's helped me control my acne so much. But today I'm going to show you guys something that I do for midweek. Now what I do guys is I shave my face, I do my eyebrows, and I also do a facial peel midweek. So this helps me a lot for me to just keep my skin healthy, to just keep it as nice as possible, to just help with the products as well that I use to help them soak a lot better, work a lot better. The first thing I do guys is I am no longer using the single razors for right now because I do this every week. I use my Face Flawless shaver. If you guys see me use that on my spa day videos, my facial videos, I've used it on that to shave my face. And the other one is my eyebrow razors, which I go ahead and do my eyebrows on midweek. So the last thing I do guys is I use this ordinary HA 30% BHA 2% and peeling solution. This is what I use to work on dead skin, texture skin, just everything that you need to basically clean up your skin. It gives you all the direction what you need to do. It's very easy to use. I call this my blood peel whenever I do this because it looks like blood on your face. It's really fun. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to do. The first thing I do is I go ahead and wash my face. I want to get my face as clean as possible and get it super nice, super easy. Now one thing I do is I do not exfoliate because I don't want this to burn, to have any cuts or any issues. So I'll go ahead and wash my face with a deep moisturizing cleanser, so that way I don't have anything that's causing any irritation on my face. Because if you do have any little cuts, spots, anything like that on your face that you have, if you have a pimple that's open or anything like that, any open area on your skin, don't put this on there. Make sure to avoid those areas. So for now my skin is doing pretty good. I don't have any of those. I go ahead and put it on there. Avoid any cuts and bruises on your face. So after I go ahead, I wash my face, I make sure it's super cleansed, super healthy, really nice. The next thing I do is I go ahead, I use this blood peel. Now after I use the peel, I put it on my face. It stays for 10 minutes. Again, you don't need long to put it on there. Do not use it more than 10 minutes. I know this is gentle enough, you can use it a couple of times a week, but I only use it once a week because of the different products that I use on my face. If you do need to use it more than once and your skin can take it, definitely remember to do that. So after I go ahead and I do this blood peel and I rinse this guy off, and you want to rinse this off with cold water, you go ahead and rinse it off. I do have a sponge that I like to use. I do like to use the single sponge, that the disposable ones you can throw away, to go ahead and wipe it off. It's quick to get the product itself off because I don't want to leave it for more than 10 minutes. I try to get it off as soon as that 10 minutes is up. And I go ahead and rinse my face, dry it. By the way guys, you want to make sure you put this on dry skin. Do not put it on wet skin. Make sure your face is dry after you wash it. So the next thing I do guys is I go ahead, I shave my face with this. I do it with this little Flawless razor because I don't have to worry about any cuts and bruises when I do this. All the fuzz off my face, to be honest. After I do it, my face feels so soft, so smooth, so nice. I love the way it feels. I absolutely love the result of it, and it just keeps my face clear. I don't have any hair causing any breakouts. I don't have any dirt and grime that gets clogged into those pores because the hair is on there, and my products works super smooth. And then I go ahead, lastly, I go ahead, I do my eyebrows. This has been a lifesaver for me. Before, I used to pluck my eyebrows with a tweezer, which burned sometimes. Even when I would steam my face, I still didn't like doing it, but it worked and I did it that way. But now I can just do this. I can go ahead and actually shape my eyebrows. I'm not a super genius at this or anything, guys. You don't have to be. You don't have to know how to do perfection. You just got to get it to look the way you want it to look. So after I do my eyebrows, guys, it looks great to me. It looks decent. I'm happy. I didn't cut anything off to a crazy design. So I'm happy with that. And then my face is done. And this is what I do on Wednesdays. So after I do this, I will toner my face. I will go ahead and put on a serum on my face. And then I will do a sheet mask usually. So that way it moisturizes my face, because the peeling solution can be drying. And I just shaved my face. I want to give it a little bit of TLC, a little bit of love. So that way my face is hydrated, it's nice, it's healthy, and it looks great. what I do on Wednesdays. I absolutely love doing it. It's fun to do. It cuts off on my skincare routine on my spa day because my face is already shaved. I can go ahead and do everything else, and I love the result. So that's how I keep my skin clear. One part of it is to do that Wednesday little touch up and cleanup, shaving and peeling solution. And I also have my other Insta solution that I use once in a while, like once a month I would use that glycolic pill. But this is the one I'm using right now on a regular basis. I use the other one on and off, not as often anymore, because this is more, I feel like this is a more gentle acid on my face, while the other one gives you a little bit more peel. You guys seen it frost around my face. It's great when I have the super heavy spots. I want to use it on that, but other than that, I'm using this one for right now. So guys, this is my little routine that I do midweek to touch up my face, and it works. It gives me great result. It's working so nice so far, so I'm hoping to get all these hyperpigmentation off my face eventually and go ahead and just keep treating my skin and getting it to look a lot nicer and healthier. So guys, if you have any products or treatments that you do or tools that you use to help your face, comment down below and let us know. What do you use? How do you use it? When do you use it? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Helps my channel out a lot. And don't forget to leave all comments down in the comment box, guys. Remember, any comments, leave them under there, and go ahead and watch my last video. You got me shaking, yeah, I